Good morning, children. Today we will have to solve our exercise. Check your progress. And now also we will have to solve in practice time 14a problem number 15 and 16. So in exercise 14a we have to solve problem number 15. Problem 15 given that express the following speeds in meter per second. So here given that part number A 18 kilometer per hour. 18 kilometer per hour. You know already that in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and we have to convert it second. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, and also you know that in 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Okay, so in 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. Okay, and you know also that in 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so we have to convert it in meter per second. So first of all we converted it in meter and per second. So 18 kilometer given that, then 18,000 meter, because in 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, then 18 kilometer is equal to 18,000 meter upon here given that hour. So in 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60, that means to 6 6 are 36 and double 0 second. Okay, double zero cancel, and from here 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18, 6 0 are 0. Okay, so 30 upon 6 meter per second. Now you also convert this, 2 3 are 6, 2 15 are 30 and 3 5 are 15, then 5 meter per second. Okay, and also a very direct formula for this, that 18 into 5 upon 18. If you have to convert this in meter per second, then directly you can multiply by this quantity 5 upon 18. Then you have to convert this 18 into 5 upon 18, 18 cancel. Then also your kilometer per hour will convert with a meter per second. Okay, you also can do this. Okay, again. Here given that your E number problem 126 kilometer per hour, you have to convert also this in meter per second. So first of all 126 kilometer per hour given that, then you have to convert by 5 upon 18. Okay, as before. So 18 sevens are 126, then 7 into 5 meter per second. Okay, this will be converted in meter per second if you multiply this quantity in given quantity. Okay, then 7 5 are 35 meter per second. This is your answer. Okay, so you have to apply 5 by 18 also to check this method. Okay, again. Problem number 16 given that problem number 16 part number A, you have given that in this problem express the following speeds in kilometer per hour. So given that 35 meter per second and we have to express this in kilometer per hour. So you know that if you have to convert any quantity in meter per second, then you have to multiply with that quantity with 5 by 18, and if you have to convert in any quantity in kilometer per hour, then you have to also multiply with that quantity with 18 upon 5. Okay, so here 35 into 18 upon 5, this convert into kilometer per hour. Okay, so from here we get 5 7 is 35, then 7 into 18 kilometer per hour. 18 7 is 126 kilometer per hour. Okay, Also we check this also by this method. You know that 1 meter is equal to 1000, that is 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer, and in 1 second is equal to 1 upon 3600 second. Okay, so you will have to apply on this 35 into 1 upon 1000 kilometer and upon given that second, then 1 upon 3600 hour. Okay, so this convert in kilometer per hour. Now again you have to apply this. So 35 upon 1000 into 3600 upon 1. Okay, from here we get 0 0 cancel, then 5 2 are 10, 5 7 are 35, then 2 18 are 36. Now from here 7 into 18. Okay, so also you have that answer 126 in kilometer per hour. Okay, so you have to convert these parts also like this, and again we start our exercise. Check your progress. In check your progress, given that pick the correct answer. Problem number A, distance is equal to speed, and you have to given that bracket between speed and time, so you have to here put the quantity into. Okay, you have to multiply because this is a formula. Again, given that problem number B, 1B, in check your progress. If a train travels 360 km in 4 hours, then its speed will be, then you also know that speed is equal to distance upon time, and also here distance given that, here distance given that 360 km, and time also given that 4 and kilometer per hour. Okay, so 4 9 are 36, 4 0 are 0, 90 kilometer per hour. This is the solution of this question. Again, in problem number C, given that how many kilometer hour will be nearing 15 meter per second. So you have to also convert this 15 meter per second given that. So 15 into 1 upon 1000 kilometer upon 1 upon 3600 second. Okay, hour. In 1 second 1 upon 3600 hour. So this quantity solved in kilometer per hour. From here we get 15 upon 1000 into 3600 upon 1. Okay, 00 cancel, 10 36 cancel, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, and 2 18 are 36, then 18 into 3 is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. And you have to direct, if you have to direct do this, then also you can apply this formula. We are given that 15 meter per second. Okay, then you have to apply 15 into 5 upon 18, then 3 6 is 18, 3 5 is 15, oh sorry, 18 upon 5, 18 upon 5, here 15 into 18 upon 5, then 5 3 is 15, then also 3 into 18 is equal to 3 into 18 is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. So also you gain this by this method, and also you gain this by this method. Okay, again our next problem. Here next problem, second given that find the speed of the following kilometer per hour. Here given that part A, distance is equal to 1250 meter and time is equal to 50 meter, given that, and you have to calculate speed. So we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, distance upon time. So here given that distance 1250 meter upon time given that 50 minute, and we have to convert this in hour. So we know that in 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 hour. So 15 upon 60 here given that, and in 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay, so here you have to also divide by 1000, then it became kilometer. kilometer per hour. Okay, so from here we get 1250 upon 1000 into 60 upon 50. 0 0 cancel, then also 0 0 cancel. Here became 100. 520 is 100. 525 is 125. Then also from here we get 5 5 is 25. Then from here we get 5 into 6, 5 6 is 30 upon 20. 0 0 cancel. Then 1.5 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. This is the solution of this problem, and you have to solve it. Okay. Again, and if you get the solution of this question by direct method, then also you have to apply that formula, but converting in kilometer or meter, any one quantity. Again, problem number 3, given that here find the time of the following in hours. Here given that distance is equal to 450 meter, speed is equal to 25 meter per minute. So in hours we have to calculate this distance. Given that 450 meter, and speed is also given that this is the distance, and speed is given that speed is equal to 25 meter per minute, given that. Okay, we have to find the time of the following in hours. We have to find time. So time is equal to, by the formula, time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Okay, distance given that 450 meter, and we have to find this following in hours. So speed given that 25 meter per minute. Okay, so from here 25 meter per minute given that, distance given that 450 meter, then we have to apply this into 25 meter per minute. We have to convert minute in hours. So we know that in 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 hour. Okay, so from here we get 1 upon 60. Then from here we get 450 meter, and also we have to apply that in 1 meter. First of all, you have to change your meter in kilometer. Okay, so you know that in 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 450 meter is equal to 1000 kilometer. 450 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay, again here given that speed also in minute, 25 meter per minute. So you have to convert this in kilometer per hour. Okay, so from here we get 25 in 1 meter is equal to 1000 meter. 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So 1000 upon in 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Okay, so 1 upon 60. 1 upon 60. From here, if we calculate this, then we get kilometer per hour. Okay, so from here we get 25 upon 1000 into 60 upon 1. Then 0 0 0 0 cancel. Sorry, only 1 0 cancel. And again here 25 4 are, so then 6 by 4 kilometer per hour. Given that now you have to convert this in kilometer, then 0 0 cancel, then 5 9s are 25, then 25 are, then 9 upon 20, divide by 6 by 4, then you get 9 by 20 into 4 by 6. Okay, so from here 4 5s are 20, then you get 9 by 5 into 1 upon 6. Okay, then 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, then 3 upon 10, 3 upon 10 kilometer per hour. So you have to solve this question by this method. Okay, and from here again given that problem number 4, find the distance of the speed in kilometer, and also here given that speed 25 meter per second. First of all you have to convert meter in kilometer, and second in hour. Okay, and also time is given that 55 seconds. Again problem number 5 given that problem number 5, Amritsar Express starts at 7 am from Delhi with the speed of 90 km per hour. Here you have to given that speed. Speed is equal to 90 km per hour given that. Okay. Again here given that and reach Amritsar at 1 pm. Okay. 7 to 1 pm, that means to in 6 hours. Time is equal to 6 hours. Okay. So from here calculate the distance between Delhi and Amritsar. So you know already that distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Okay. This is clear. From here the train did not stop in the way. So from here we get distance is equal to speed into time. Then speed given that 90 km per hour and time 6 hours. Okay. Then 9 6 is 54. So 540 kilometer is the distance. Okay. So you have to solve this. And 7, 8, 9 and 10 also you have to solve. Otherwise I solve this tomorrow because time is over and we stop our writing. Thank you children. Thank you.